From the ground up, cement is the silent hero of the modern world. Its journey begins here.
That a calcium's and agree.
The massive earth movers enter the dust cloud. Their job, loading the raw limestone onto specialized transport vehicles.
Each load is a testament to the scale of modern industry. These raw materials are the essential building blocks for all future cement.
Limestone alone is not enough. Clay and shale provide the necessary silica, aluminum, and iron required.
The logistics chain begins. These raw components embark on the first leg of their journey towards the mega factory, where they will be transformed into finished cement.
Upon arrival, the colossal boulders must be immediately reduced in size. The primary crusher prepares the raw material for processing.
No rock can withstand this immense pressure. The raw limestone is shattered into manageable fragments, initiating the refinement process for cement. These fragments are further reduced. The smaller the particle size, the easier the homogenization and mixing process will be later in the creation of cement. These vast stockpiles represent the factory's reservoir of raw cement materials. They must be carefully layered to ensure a consistent mix.
The reclaimer meticulously cuts across the material layers, ensuring a chemically precise blend of raw ingredients. Now, the raw cement meal begins its uninterrupted trek toward the heart of the factory, where heat and...
Before major processing, every batch of raw cement meal is sampled and tested. Consistency is the key to producing reliable, high-performance cement. Inside the factory, these colossal silos hold thousands of tons of ready-to-process raw cement meal, awaiting their fiery baptism. The raw grinding mill is where the limestone, clay, and additives become a homogeneous powder, the raw feed necessary for clinker production.
This perfectly pulverized raw cement dust is known as raw meal. It is now ready for the furnace, ready to become clinker.
Before the main kiln, the raw cement meal enters the preheater tower, a towering structure designed to capture heat.
This intense preheating, or calcination, drives off carbon dioxide from the limestone.
The raw meal is primed. It now falls into the heart of the cement factory, the legendary rotary kiln.
This colossal furnace is the soul of cement production. Rotating slowly, it subjects the raw...
The slow rotation ensures that the raw material tumbles and mixes perfectly, guaranteeing a uniform chemical reaction necessary for quality cement.
This is the climax of the process, the burning zone. At these extreme temperatures, the raw ingredients fuse together.
Through a process called sintering, the raw materials melt and recrystallize, forming hard, pebble-sized lumps. This is cement clinker.
The finished clinker, still searing hot, exits the kiln, ready for immediate, rapid cooling. Modern cement factories are marvels of efficiency. The intense heat rejected by the clinker is recycled, drastically reducing energy consumption. Now stable, these hard, dark nodules are the basis of all Portland cement. They must now be stored until needed for final grinding.
These enormous reserves ensure a steady supply, allowing the final grinding process to run independently of the high-temperature kiln operation. For the final stage, a small but critical ingredient is added: gypsum. This prevents the finished cement from setting too quickly when mixed with water later.
To unlock the binding power of the clinker, it must be reduced once more into a microscopic powder. Inside, thousands of steel grinding balls pound the clinker mixture for hours, transforming the hard...
Some modern factories use high-efficiency roller presses to pre-grind the clinker, saving massive amounts of energy in the cement finishing process. This is the final product, Portland cement. Each particle, measuring just microns across, is ready. Finished cement is so fine it flows almost like water. It is transported pneumatically, ensuring zero contamination.
These vast, airtight silos are the temporary home of the finished cement, ensuring perfect preservation.
Every hour, samples are analyzed. Sophisticated X-ray fluorescence ensures the precise oxide.
The ultimate test, compressive strength. Factory quality control confirms the cement meets the highest specifications required for skyscrapers and bridges.
Particle fineness dictates how cement reacts with water.
If it is too coarse, it won't bond. If too fine, it's...
The entire mega factory is overseen by highly automation.
Every particle passes inspection. The perfectly uniform, finished cement is now ready to be packaged and shipped around the globe. The journey from rock to powder is complete. The stage is set for high-speed deployment of this foundational material. Each bag of cement carries crucial identification, ensuring traceability and quality control from the factory to the construction site.
If specifications fail, the bag is immediately rejected, ensuring only perfect product reaches the customer.
Now begins the process of building unit loads, preparing the individual bags of cement for efficient global shipment.
Robots handle the backbreaking work. Each bag of cement is placed in an interlocking pattern to maximize stability.
Layer after layer, the unit load takes shape. Consistency in stacking is crucial for safe long-distance transport.
Automated vision systems check for overhangs or misaligned bags, ensuring the pallet geometry is perfect. The final layer of protection secures the cement, safeguarding it from moisture and weather during its onward journey. The vast finished goods warehouse acts as the global distribution hub. Thousands of tons of cement await their destination. Orders are ready. Whether bagged or in bulk, the cement must now be dispatched to support vital infrastructure projects worldwide.
For large industrial clients, cement powder is often shipped in bulk, maximizing transport efficiency and speed of delivery.
Safety regulations require absolute security. The journey of the foundational material is inherently demanding.
Cement distribution is relentless. Day and night, these trucks carry the necessary powder to every corner of the market.
Across continents, the gray powder travels, destined to be activated by water and become a permanent part of our landscape.
For international markets, cement is exported via sea, contributing to infrastructure projects on a global scale.
The final destination, where human ingenuity harnesses the strength locked within the powdered cement. The moment of transformation. When combined with water, the cement particles react chemically, creating a paste that binds the aggregate into concrete.
This fresh concrete is flexible only for a short time. Within hours, the microscopic bonds begin to form.
The curing phase is critical. Over days and weeks, the chemical reaction continues, exponentially increasing the compressive strength of the cement structure. Every towering skyscraper, every stable bridge, every highway mile, all stand testament to the engineered strength of cement. For millennia, the fundamental chemistry of cement has remained our most vital binding material. It is a legacy of resilience.
From raw limestone and clay transformed by fire and precision, cement empowers us to build the impossible.
Its strength lies not in its complexity, but in the perfect, stable bonds formed between each microscopic particle.
The epic journey of cement is complete. The dust that built the world.
This has been the Mega Factory Director production.